Hi, it's Susan, and it is officially the time to start our spring cleaning. I'm not talking about the cleaning that our grandmas used to do. I'm talking about the way to impact your home and your home values. Whether you're thinking about selling or you just want to love your house again, let's do a few things for some hints that can help you really enjoy your home. First of all, let's start with closets. Let's declutter. Let's colorize your clothing. It'll make a great impact if you're thinking about selling your home, but it also makes a real easy selection in the morning when you're looking for that favorite dress or shirt. Then let's go a little deeper, which could be pantries, linen closets. Also, maybe it's time to update a few light fixtures, a few faucets, to make sure that they are in their best working condition. Then let's move a little further. Let's take a look at under our sinks. Let's declutter, let's clean up, let's check to make sure we don't have any kind of plumbing leaks or any problems that we need to address. As we're moving through the house, simple things like freshening up towels, rugs, those are great ways to make you feel like it's spring, like it's ready for that company or entertaining. Curb appeal, making sure that those leaves that have gathered in the corners of your porches, let's clean those out. Let's make sure that we are looking at fresh paint. Maybe we need to grab a can of spray paint and redo our light fixtures outside. Freshen up our numbers on our address. New mat, of course. Some nice fresh flowers on our porches. Use that can of spray paint as well if you need to freshen up your flower pots. Take a look all the way through your yard. Stand back and look at your house and treat yourself to the window cleaning. I have some great companies that we've used for years that can help you get that fresh, clean appeal on your windows. They'll also do chandeliers, power washing. Those are all things you should treat yourself to. If you have any questions about how to enhance your house by simple cleaning and organizational tips, reach out to me and we'll certainly make you love that house again.